Class is open. Come on in.
Look what came in the mail today. My new dash cam. We're gonna get right into this and open it up and see what's inside, see all the gadgets, see what it has to offer. Alright, and I'll be right back with you. And we're back. I'm just doing a little quick review on the VAVA Dashcam. And I just got mine in the mail. And it comes in a nice, neat package. It's very, very, as they say, exquisite. It's nice, though. Nice piece of work. Thanking you as a purchaser of the new dash cam. And that's VAVA. I think I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. If you guys think I'm saying it wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. But hey, let's crack into this thing. Alright, and we're getting right on into this thing here, cracking open the new VAVA Dashcam that I just got. This little gadget here is going to help me out a lot because I'm going to be able to use it as an Uber driver. I'm not only going to use it for business use, but it's also going to be a personal use device as well, because I'll document some of the craziness that I come across while driving on a daily basis. But yeah, nice camera. That's my camera. This is the snapshot device that you place on your steering wheel, and you can actually take snapshots of what's going on outside of the vehicle or inside the vehicle. For me, that'll be important, for those who choose to be ignorant while being a rider. Your shenanigans is documented, basically. So you got your car mount piece here, and that car mount is basically gonna hold the camera in place. You got your shoehorn looking device next to it. That's how I'm gonna be able to put these wires right here that you see, align them in a good looking fashion. It's going to help me out a lot. Got the adapter, the AC adapter, everything is here that you need. And of course, VAVA Dashcam casing. It's very nice setup. Okay, I've completed my setup of my VAVA Dash. Minus the functionality of the camera so far, and that's got me curious right now as to what I may have done wrong or what I may have missed. But other than that, pretty seamless installation. The instructions were pretty helpful. It's very easy to do. Just take your time, be patient, and follow those instructions. But this is it. Hopefully the next time you see me, I would have told you an update about the camera working and how I was able to test it with my phone. Like I said, I did install this one here. Pretty seamless installation. I've downloaded the VAVA Dashcam app onto my phone, and I'm about to try to collect myself again with the information that I got for instructions to find out what is missing with regards to me being able to test this thing out. Alright, till the next time. Peace.